Class 8 students, today I will start exercise 2.2. This exercise 2.2, question number 1. Question number 1 is write in decimal form. So this expansion, you have to convert decimal form. 7 into 10 to the power 1. 10 to the power 1 means 10 only. So 7 into 10 equals 70. 3 into 10 to the power 0. Already I told anything to the power 0 equal 1. So 3 into 1 plus 3. So a to the power minus n equal 1 by a to the power n. It becomes positive when you write it down. It will be 10 square. 10 square means 10 into 10. So it will be 100. 8. If it will go down, it will be positive. A to the power minus n equal 1 by a to the power n. So it will be 10 cube. 10 cube means 10 into 10 into 10. That is 10 cube means 1000. So 70 plus 3 ones are 3, 73. So how many zeros are there? 2 0. 100. When 100 is there, in 100 2 zeros are there. So after point, 2 digits will be there. So after point, 2 digits, 1 digit is there. If there is no digit, to manage it, you have to give 1 0 such that it will be 2 digit number. So it will be 1 2 digit. If it had suppose another number, suppose 2, then it will be 0.23. No need to give again 0 because 2 numbers are there already. But in case of one number, you have to give 0 to make it 2 digit. Plus 0.008. How? 8 by 1000. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. So the digits will be 3 after point. 1, 2 and 8. With 8 it will be 3. 8 1 digit, other 2 digits you have to give 0. If you add it, addition I have shown 73. So after 73 there is no number. So you can give 0.000. Why I have given 30? Because after point 3 digits are there in one number. 0.008, 0.030. Point actually 03 this one, and to make it same decimal, so I have given 0 here, Now you add it. In case of addition and subtraction, all point should be on a same column. Now add it, you will get 73.038. So answer is 73.038. So this is converted to decimal number. Now come to question number C. 2 into 10 to the power 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 plus 7 into 10 to the power minus 3. 2 into 10, 20 plus 5. If you write down, it will be 10 square plus 10 square means 10 into 10, 100. Plus 7, 10 cube means 10 to the power minus 3 means 10 cube. So it will be 10 cube means 10 into 10 into 10, 1000. So 20. So 2 zeros. So after point, 2 digit will be there, 1 digit. So you give 1 0 such that it will be 2 digit number. And it will be how many zeros are there? 3 zeros, 1 2 3. So to make 3 digits, 1 digit is there, other 2 0 you have to give here such that it will be 3 digits after point. So you add it. So you will get 20.057. This is the answer. So this is expressed in decimal form. Come to the question number D. 3 into 10 square plus 6 into 10 to the power 0 plus 2 into 10 to the minus 1 plus 6 into 10 to the minus 3. 10 square means 100. 10 into 10, 3 into 100 plus 6 into 10 to the power 0 equal 1. Anything to the power 0 equal 1. Plus 2 This is plus 2 by 10. 10 to the power 1 means 1 by 10 to the power 1. 10 to the power 1 means 10 only. Plus 10 cube means 1 by 10 cube. 10 to the minus 3 means 1 by 10 cube. That is 1000. Now 300 plus 6 ones are 6 plus 10 means 10. So after point 1 digit. So 0.2 plus 1, 2, 3. After point 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. So only 1 digit is there. So 20 you have to give to make it 3 digit. 306 plus 0.2 plus 0.006. Now you add it. So it will be 306.206. This is the answer. Now come to the question number 2a. 2a. Question number 2 is what? Write in standard form. In standard form, you have to make the number such that one digit will be in the left hand side from that point. Means in standard form it should be 5 point something. So point will be here, point should be here. So to make it standard form, always one digit should be left hand side of the point. So I'll give point here 5.656. 5.656. But this number is not this one. So to make it similar, same, you have to divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be 10 to the power. Now see here, 5.656 by, it will be 1 lakh. Why? Because point should be here. Point should be before 5 and 6. Now, means in standard form, point should be here. One digit should be left hand side before point. Now, suppose point is here. To make it same number, we have to divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So point is here now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To make it same number, we have to divide by 1 lakh. If you divide it, then again point will go in the to the left hand side. How? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2. This is 1. Point is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be same. So 5.656. This is 10 to the power 5. So if you write it up, it will be negative. So 5.656 into 10 to the power 5. This is in standard form. Now see in this number. So point should be here. Why? In standard form, one digit always it should be in the left hand side of the point. So point will be here, but you don't give point here now. To make it same, so you have to divide. Now 1.9800 I have written here because point should be here. Means in standard form, one digit non-zero digit should be in the left hand side from the point. Now it should be 1.9800, but we have to make it same now. How it will be same? If you divide by, point is here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 80. When you divide this number by this, so point will go to the left hand side. You remember it. When you divide a number, so then point will go to the left hand side. When you multiply a number, then point will go to the right hand side. So you are dividing this one by this one. So point will go to the left hand side. But how many digits will go? If point should be here, then if you divide by this number, how many 8 zeros are there? Then you from here you count from the point. You count the digits. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Means point 2 will go to the left hand side. How many digits it will go? How many zeros are there? 8 digits are there. So 8 zeros are there. So it will go to the left hand side from the point number. These are decimal number. After the left hand side of the decimal number, how many digits are there? You count it, 1 digit, and other you have to give zeros such that it will be same as like this. Now after point there is no value of 0. Cut it, 1.98. So it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 10 to the power 8. Now 1.98 into 10 to the power minus 8. So this is in standard form. Now come to the question number C. 0.12345 5 zeros 8754. So point should be here. Already I told in standard form one known digit number should be left hand side from the point. So I have written here 8.5754. 8.754 divided by, so points should go to this point. How many digits will go? Point is here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here also 1 2 3 4 5 6. If you divide it by this one, again go point will go to the left hand side. So it will be 8.756 divided by 10 to the power 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 10 to the power 6. So if you write in up, 1 by a to the power n equal a to the power minus n, like this. So it will be 10 to the power minus 6. So it is in standard form. 8.754 into 10 to the power minus 6 is in standard form. Now come to the question number D. 0.010000521. So already I told one known digit, one known zero number will be left hand side. So point I will give here, because you cannot give point here because before 5 another known zero digit is there, known zero number is there, 1. So point I will give here. So it will be like this. Now it should go here. So point is here 1 2. So 1 2 10. Sorry, 100. So it will be 100. So 100 means 10 square. It will go up 1.000000521 into 10 to the power minus 2. This is 10 to the power minus 2. So it will be 10 square. It was 10 square. So it will be 10 to the power minus 2. This is in standard form. Now come to the question number 3. In question number 3, you are given write in usual form. Means these are usual form. These are usual form, and this is standard form. Now these are given in standard form. Convert to usual form. This is usual form. So in case of usual form, you write this one. So 10 to the power minus 9 means if you make it positive, it will go down. 10 to the power 9. 10 to the power 9 means how many zeros are there? 3, 9 zeros. So now convert to decimal. Point is here. When you divide a number, point will go to the left hand side. How many digits will go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 digits will go from the point. So from the point, from here 1. No number, so you have to give 0 to make it same. So 7, 1 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it should be like this. Means if you divide this number by this, then it will be 0 point like this number. Now this is usual form. Now come to the question number B. B is here. B I will show you. 4080.561 into 10 to the minus 8. 10 to the minus 8 means if you go down, if you write it down, then 10 to the power 8. 10 to the power 8 means how many zeros are? 3, 2, 3, 6. That is 2, 8. 6 plus 6, 3, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 digits. Now, from point, you have to write 8 digits number to the left hand side, because when you divide a number, then the point will go to the left hand side. So point is here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So point will be here. This is in usual form. Now this one you see. This number I have written here and 10 to the power minus 8. So go to the 10 to the power plus 8 down. So 8 means or how many zeros are 8 zeros? 3 3 6 8 zeros. So point will go to the 8 digits from here. So 1 2. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is the answer in usual form. Now this number it will go to the down and it will be positive. So you write this one. So 10 square means 100. So when you divide it from the point, it will go to go left hand side 2 digits. So point will come here. So point will be here 2.29.8002301. This is the answer.